What's up, sweaties? I'm back with some more gal time, and this is going to be some good gal time because you will see I have some kind of trash bag spread out onto my kitchen table. Well, guess what? I have more than just a trash bag. I also have a big poster board. But guess what? I actually have 2 big poster boards. So get excited. I'm going to start mixing some paint while I describe what I'm about to do, okay? So my thought process is this. I live in a college apartment. I'm not allowed to put nails into the walls, nor am I allowed to paint, nor am I allowed to put tacks in the walls like pins. But I have a lot of photos that I would very much like to hang up. And so I'm going to make this foam board into like a fake wall thing where I can hang up pictures. But I'm going to paint it a color, and then I'm going to put something else on it. Okay? Does that make sense? I don't know. Let's get into it. I don't know how to paint. I'm not crafty in any sense of the word, in any way or shape or form. This is a pretty color. Let's just freaking go for it, you know? Let's just cut and go for it. I have no idea if I'm in frame right now. If I'm not, and all you can see is my torso, it's kind of fun for you. That's all I'm going to say about that. Oh, frick. Okay, we're good. I almost just lost my whole entire life. It's blue paintbrush, so it goes with the blue paint that I'm mixing. That looks nice. I have kind of this dark grayish blue. My goal here is to make this look like space. And then I think I'm going to try, once it dries, to do some white constellations over it. I mean, yeah, my goal here is just to coat the whole board. It's not really any precision required here. Just want to cover the whole thing so you can't tell it's ugly, crappy poster board from the dollar store. Not sponsored by the Dollar Tree, but Dollar Tree if you're interested. I'm single. No, I'm not. I'm not affiliated with any brands, though, so swipe up. I also had an energy drink at lunch today, and you know how on energy drinks it always says, like, not recommended for pregnant people or the elderly or persons sensitive to caffeine? I fall into one of those 3 categories, and I'm not. What the? Why is it turning red? I'm just saying, I fall into one of the 3 categories that I just listed, but I will not tell you which one. Okay, I will tell you one. It's not pregnant. I'm not pregnant. Does this look horrible on camera? Can you even see it on camera? That's the real question. Okay, honestly, as I've been painting this, I'm like, oh, I probably, no, I don't think I would have enough to do an entire the whole other poster in this exact same color. But now I'm kind of thinking, since I have 2, it might be kind of fun to do one daytime and one nighttime. Like this will be the nighttime one, and then one I'll do like the other one I'll do light blue and do like a sun and clouds, which is like, this is a little bit basic of me, but I also would like to feel good about my life and my abilities, you know, for freaking once. Also, I have officially decided I'm going to do the daytime sky for the other one because that's cute. It's a cute and fun idea, and I like it. And this color is called Sky Blue. Guess what? I used most of it because I was not planning on using it. But there's like weirdly 2 other whole shades of light blue. And so we're just gonna hashtag roll with it, you know? Oh yeah, like that's almost out. I guess while I'm painting this, I'll tell you a list of all the things you'll need for this project. So freaking easy. So I got 2 poster boards from the Dollar Tree. That's how the Dollar Tree works, is that everything is $1, and so that cost me $2. I got this paintbrush set of 25 brushes from Walmart for $6, I believe. So that's super cheapy, and that's only if you don't have paintbrushes already, which I know a lot of people do, or like your mom might if you live at home, that kind of thing. I got a set of acrylic paint, like a 10-piece set for like $2 or $3, I don't even know. And like that's literally all I'm gonna use. And then you need photos, but that will come later. And probably if you're looking to do this project, you already have photos, or you can just order prints of the photos that you have on like your Instagram, or that you have on your phone of your friends and family, which I'm a huge fan of printing out stuff, because it's like, what if the whole internet crashes forever and every photo of your child that you've taken is gone forever, and you hate yourself and you regret it for the rest of your life until the day you die. So that's why I'm like, print out your important photos of the people you love, because you won't regret it. If anything, you can put them in a box, and like that'll be so fun when you're elderly and you're like, kids, look at these photos, these real life photos, and your grandchildren will be like, what do you mean real life photos? I thought photos were just digital JPEG files. And you're like, oh no, back in the day, they used to take photos with film. And that's crazy to the grandchildren, and you're the coolest grandpa or ma ever. Okay, I'm just gonna leave this one here to dry for a minute, and then we will check back in once they're dry. Okay, what I'm gonna do now that it's dry, I'm gonna trace out these constellations, and then I'm gonna paint them white. And then I'm gonna do that with clouds on the other one that's still drying, because I did a second layer. And Matt's playing Smash Bros on the couch. Say hi.
Hey.
Hey. It's just a bottle of mayo in the shot. It's not weird, is it?
They say the grass is always greener on the other side, but say it ain't so. I wish I could go to the other side. But just in case you've forgotten exactly what that means, the fire won't burn and I can't earn any more of your pride. So fight on, like it's the last thing you'll ever do. So move on, it might just be what's best for me and you. La 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 la, la 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 la. So just give up. Are you finally done with this burning Arizona heat?
Alright, so here are my finished photo boards. Constellations. And the sun. I'm actually super proud of them. They turned out so well. So I'm still redoing stuff in my room, so I'm not going to put those up yet. Probably in the next like 2 videos that I upload is going to be like a bedroom transformation. So stay tuned for that. Get really excited. Also, this is a total side note. The video's over. Who cares? Side note, I have been uploading on Fridays, but I'm wondering, would you guys prefer Saturdays or Sundays? Today is a Saturday. This video is going to go up on probably a Saturday, because that's when it's finished. Saturdays or Sundays would probably make it so I could be more consistent. Fridays, if that's what you guys like, we can totally stick with. So just comment below if you have a preference, if you care. Also comment if there's something you want to see. I'm going to do a couple more DIY projects for my room, so we're going to have more videos like that real quick. Sorry if you hate that. And then this room that I'm in right now is also getting a makeover, which you can't see yet, but that's going to be a video coming soon. So we got lots of content on deck for you people. Make sure you subscribe, like this video if you liked it. Follow me on Instagram, Twitter. It's all in the description box. I'm trying to be a good YouTuber. I don't know how to do this. But yeah, thank you so much for watching and joining me on this gal time. Hopefully you liked the finished product. It was so easy. It was so freaking easy. So if you want to do it yourself, go for it. And yeah, so remember who you are. Try not to sweat too much. Stay cool in this summer heat. And I'll see you in the next one.
La 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 la. it's the last thing you'll ever do, so move on. It might just be what's best for me and you. La 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 la. So just give up.